as you know. Usually it's the wrong thing I say, but at least I've got something to say now. I'm absolutely dumbstruck. I'm just so happy. And I just know that today you're happy as well. And there's a guarantee that comes with what we're going to do today, and that is that we're both going to be happy for the rest of our lives. I love you dearly, darling. A little song to remember the day by.
Low my hip flask, so this will get good use.
It's the morning of our wedding. We are at the beautiful Albanach, and it's just a perfect backdrop for what's going to be, I know is going to be the perfect day. There's an atmosphere of joy.
I think today is really special, and like the last couple of days as well, because I think it's the first time that we've all kind of all come together and like spent some real quality time with each other, which I think is really nice.
Right, doesn't it? Like you've got, oh, let's go for a walk, let's go in the hot tub. Well, actually, no, we don't have time.
Dad is the most gentle, kind-hearted human. He's a wonderful, wonderful man.
And a big joker.
What is it about Nicola makes me love her so much is the fact that Nicola thinks about everybody else first.
She looks after people, and she's incredibly kind and loving.
Oh, my girl, you look amazing. I love this.
You can see why Dad and Nicola are so well matched, because I think they complement each other really, really lovely. Beautifully. Beautifully, thank you. And yeah, she's a very warm and welcoming, wonderful lady.
I, Ray, take you, Nicola, to be my lawfully wedded wife.
I, Nicola, take you, Ray, to be my lawfully wedded husband.
Promise to live with you, love you,
Honour and protect you.
and forsaking all others, be faithful to you.
And forsaking all others, be faithful to you.
For better, for worse,
For richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health.
to love and to cherish, till death us do part.
Try or not. To pronounce you husband and wife, and you cannot kiss. If you so wish.
Nairn is a small town and everybody knows everybody, but turned to internet dating. And there was this picture of this lady. She had a pair of sunglasses on and her actual reading glasses on top of her head, and just a personality came leaping out of the photograph. You give a wee thumbs up, and I got a wee thumbs up back, and it just went from there. Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce you to my wife? 4-hour-long video calls of an evening, and then it was, well, we've just got to meet in person. We had dinner, went for a walk on the beach. Just before we came up to Albanach, the night before we left, we went back to the very same spot on the beach. I think Nicola said it first. I think she said, I think I'm falling in love with you. And I said, I reciprocate that. And she said, in fact, I think I'm in love with you. And I said, well, good, because I'm in love with you. And that brings us to today.
I think this kind of day of just celebrating being together, I think it's just perfect.
Yes.
Yeah.
you.